Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Code Heroes. So today in this video I'll be showing you 20 web browser extensions which will boost your productivity as a developer. So the first extension is MYNT. You can simply add this to your browser and you can customize your desktop, a minimalistic theme, and you can hide unwanted news, etc. And it is very easy to set up. Now the second extension is WizBug. Now simply click on add to Opera, and then if I go to any website, now here I can just select this extension and I can simply edit the text. Code Hero, for example, I can change the theme, I can change the font, multiple such things I can do. And it is good to try out multiple layouts and test how it will look. So our third extension is Web Developer. This one is the extension, and I will just click to add to Opera, add extension. Now here again I will go to Wikipedia, and here in the extension, if I click on Web Developer, I can do multiple themes like disable cookies for this particular website, session cookies. I can disable all the styles, for example. I can check all the checkboxes, uncheck the checkboxes, display password. Like I can do a JavaScript manipulation through this and try out multiple things, disable images, for example. So now let's move to the next extension, which is what font, and I'll simply click on add to Opera again. And here I can select the extension, and then I can just hover over the text and it will tell me what font this website is using. For example, this is Apple system, this one is Linux Libertine. So if you are browsing through a website and if you like that font, you can just check out this extension to get the font name. So our next extension is enhanced GitHub. So let me just quickly add it and show you what it does. So using this font, I get an extra button over here where I can directly download a file, for example, or I can even inspect a file using this. So our next extension is search and link preview. So let me just quickly add it. Now here, instead of directly opening a link or opening it into multiple tabs and flooding our web browser, we can just simply hover over the link and then click on the preview and it will open it in a mini pop-up box. So our next extension is Vapalizer. Now using this extension, I can get all of the technologies used on the current web page. For example, GitHub uses React Router, GSAP, WebSocket, Amazon S3 as CDN, GitHub Pages, and Turbo for performance. So you can analyze all the technologies used by the website using this extension. So now our next extension is Dark Reader. So now using this extension, you can turn on the dark mode of the particular website. You can even increase the brightness of the website, the contrast, the grayscale, etc. You can play with the colors of the website. So our next extension is Check My Link. Using this extension, you can check whether all the links in your websites are working fine or not. It goes through all the links one by one and then it checks all of them. So for example, here there are 57 valid links, and if there are invalid links or any links which give them warning, you can simply check it over here and then you can even download them as a CSV. So this is a cool extension to check whether all the links in your website are working fine. So our next extension is Responsive Viewer. Using this extension, you can simply know how your website looks in multiple layouts. So I've gone to github.com, and if I just click on this extension, you can see it is showing me how my website will look in iPhone 14 Pro, Pixel 7 Pro, iPad, MacBook Air. You can just quickly check how your website will look and make changes if there are any required. And all of this is responsive. You can even work with your website over here. So our next extension is daily.dev. You can just install this extension and just go to this extension, and you get the latest updates and news which a developer must know. So this is a good news platform for developers. So our next extension is Signal Hire. Using this extension, you can go to any particular profile on LinkedIn, and then you can just go to the extension, and it will find the contact info of that particular person. Sometimes you cannot get the contact info through here if they have hidden it, but using this extension you can even get the contact ID of the person who has hidden his mail ID. So this is a good extension if you want to cold email anyone for applying jobs, etc. So our next extension is Fake Filler. During registrations at some website, you just want to try out the website, but still you have to fill all the details. So instead of doing that, you can just simply install this extension, and wherever the input fields are, just right click on the input box and then fake filler, and then you can fill all the inputs. This will fill all the inputs by himself, so you don't have to waste your time on that. So our next extension is CSS viewer. So if I go to GitHub and then select my extension, I can just hover over the elements and I can get all the CSS information in the box. So if you like any template or a theme or a component, you can just install this extension, just hover over it and get all the CSS for that. So our next extension is Email Tracker by MailTrack. The setup is present over here. You can simply watch this video, but what this extension does is that you get the green ticks whether the person which you have sent the email have read your email or not. You can also get the time when he or she have read your email. So this is a good extension if you want to track your emails. So our next extension is Buster Captcha Solver for humans. What it does that it simply solves all your captchas by himself. You just have to click this orange person icon which is present on the captcha window, and it will solve for you. So our next extension is Sound Booster Increase Volume Up. So sometimes when you are watching a video on YouTube, even if you increase your volume to 100%, it is still not enough. You can simply install this extension. Just go to the YouTube. While playing any video, you just have to go to this extension, and then you can increase your volume up to 600%. So our next extension is Lorem Ipsum Generator. When you have to generate some text as a sample, you can simply use this extension. Just go to this extension and then select how many paragraphs you want, how many words you want, and then it will generate the random text for you, and you can just simply copy this and paste it where you want. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and if you faced any issues, you can just contact me on LinkedIn, or you can just comment down below, or you can even join our channel's community and you can just write your issues over here, and I will make sure I will solve those issues. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.